Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software that's commonly used in various industries for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data. It allows users to create and manipulate spreadsheets, which are composed of cells organized in rows and columns. Excel is equipped with a wide range of features that enable users to perform various calculations, create charts and graphs, and automate tasks. In a training video, you can expect to learn the basics of Excel, including how to navigate, input data, and format the cells. You'll also learn how to create charts and graphs and summarize your large data sheets. You may learn some more about advanced features as you work on your own after understanding these basics. By the end of this video, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Excel to manage data effectively and efficiently.